The HåFreak has an intensity function that allows you to control the rate at which you reach a given temperature. So this is particularly useful when you're doing temperature-sensitive techniques. You control the intensity with the middle button on the right side. You can choose between slow, medium, and fast. Slow is particularly useful where 1 degree makes all the difference. Things like chocolate, proofing yeast, proofing dough, where 1 degree can be overcooked or just right. The medium intensity is particularly useful when you're working with eggs. So if you're scrambling eggs, making a hollandaise, anything where it's still temperature sensitive, but you're gonna whisk it, you're gonna stir it while it's coming up to temperature, medium is gonna be where you wanna be. So you would use the fast intensity for things like searing, poaching eggs, or frying, where you just need a lot of heat quickly.